babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rhoda Minor back with another Dubois haul. I got so many items from Dubois. I know I can't stop shopping, but guys, I have to show you, of course. So I have this full bag that has so many cute items, jewelry, hats, everything, and I want to share with you what I got from Dubois this time round. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. So a lot of you guys have been asking me what I use to make my body, my face glow, and I have the product right here because mine actually finished. I use it so much, I love it so much. I will 100% recommend it to you. Guys, I got myself some yummy shea, more of them. I got one in the So Citrusy scent and the other one in the Vanilla Love. These are shea butters, but they are not your ordinary shea butters, guys. The scent that it leaves on your body. I wish you guys could smell one of them through the camera, but guys, this is the oil that you need. Consistency looks like butter, guys. Just a close-up of that. Let me show you how it looks. Look, it looks like some ice cream. It's so smooth, guys. I just love it. So you guys have been asking me so much about what I'm about to show you. I finally got the fedora hats. Yes, guys, I got them in black and I also got them in this cute red. It's actually so popping, guys. Can't wait to style these ones. Let me show you how they actually look. So I'm going to wear that right there, and oh my god, baby, is this the difference that a hat can make? Is so huge, guys. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this black. It looks so perfect, especially with this the off shoulder that I've worn and just the hair and the big loops. Oh my god, guys, let me show you the other red one. Look at these beauties. The material, everything is just so perfect. Please tell me which one you love. Is class. I actually have a similar fedora, but it doesn't have this, and this one is actually larger than the one right here. So this is the normal one that I had, and you can see there's a huge difference to that. Imagine I got these two fedora hats for 350 Kenyan shillings. I'm going to definitely leave the contact of where you can get that. I feel like that is an absolute steal. A very nice quality, a new fedora hat. I just think that this is a cute bargain that I got. Bought more jewelry. You guys know how obsessed I am with jewelry, and I needed to get more and more. So the first one that I want to show you is this one. I finally found the perfect jewelry, guys. I think this is just something that I actually needed for a very long time. You know what this type of jewelry is? This is plastic jewelry, and the best thing about this jewelry is that it won't fade. That's something that I actually noticed because it's actually plastic. Look at how cute it looks. You can adjust it to become tighter just like that, or you can leave it to be loose like its true size. But guys, I really love it. I just love the gold and how it pops on my skin. So yeah, guys, this is something that I got for 250 Kenyan shillings, and I feel like it was actually a steal. So at the same place, of course, I couldn't just live with one chain. I also got more chains. So I have this other one. So this is how it looks, guys, and I just needed something this chunky. I feel like it's going to look so good with so many outfits, even under a shirt. It's just going to be a statement already. Even when it's just like this, it's already a statement. So I just love it so much. I also love that the gold is not too shouting as compared to this one. You can see how it looks against my skin, but I just love it, guys, and I feel like for such a style, I got it for a very cheap price, 250 Kenyan shillings for all of these pieces that I got from the same place. So I feel like that was a huge deal. Please tell me what you think about it. At the same store, I also got the same, like it has a bangle, guys, also the same design, same pattern like the chain is. So this one is sold separately from this, and it also comes with the earrings. The bracelet for 150 and this one for 250. Guys, I love me some chunky necklaces, and the moment I saw this, guys, of course I had to take its sister, its cousin. Guys, look at this one. This one actually has some crystals, as you can see. It's quite different from this other one that I've shown you. This is plain, so in case you wanted this and in case you wanted this, you can just pick up any, but I chose to pick both of them up. And also I didn't forget that I needed its bangle, so I got this one for also 250 Kenyan shillings. The price doesn't change, it's just that the design is different from this other one. And I also got this one for 150 Kenyan shillings. I also loved this one because of the crystals. I also got some brooches, brooch, I don't know, but guys, I got this and I got them in Chanel, both of them. Let me just take them out of this paper, but all of them were like 200 Kenyan shillings for each. So there is this one which absolutely looks cute. It has some crystals there. This one also has some crystals, but it's actually different. As you can see, it actually has like a rose right there. So I was really just in need of this things because I have so many tops that I want to actually use this brooch in. So yeah, that's why I got them. 200 for one, and I feel like it's actually just something that I needed, so I had to get them. So I also went to a different store and got some strawberry body scrub. I want to actually do a pedicure on my feet, so that's why I got this. And this one was really cheap, guys. It's actually 200 Kenyan shillings. I just felt like it's nice and a quality body scrub. So I also got some glue. This is the hair bonding glue. I use this to actually put my lashes. This is the best glue that you can use on your lashes because it lasts long, and I just feel like it's actually a good size for the price. Also, it doesn't finish fast. So this is the hair bonding glue. That's how it looks, guys. You can find it in Dubois or just where I also got mine from. This one was 200 Kenyan shillings. It lasts so long. It makes the lashes also last so long throughout the whole day. So I will 100% recommend this for anyone who is actually looking for a glue to use on the lashes. And this one is also the one that is usually used for the single lashes. So please, if you're looking to get a lash glue, this is something that you need. I also got myself some more mascara, guys. This one is just normal mascara from the same store. It's written Naked 9. And the thing I like about mascaras is the brush, guys. This kind of brush is what I usually go for if I'm looking for a mascara. You see this one, it like applies on each lash on your eye, and it just makes it retain that the whatever is actually in the mascara. I got it for 100 Kenyan shillings, and I feel like for a mascara which will actually last me long, I think that's just good enough. By the way, my finishing powder is almost over, so I decided to get myself another one. I was using the Black Opal one, and as you can see, it has lasted me the longest time. I just love it. I love how it sets my face, but this time I wanted to actually try a different one, so I got myself the Ben Eye banana powder. That's how it actually looks like. You can see like it's actually sealed. So let me just open it up with you so I can show you how it looks inside. So that is out. So yeah, that's the pack and how it looks. And I got this in number 2. Yeah, it's written number 2, and that's just how it looks. It's actually something that is really and easily portable, so it's going to fit in the bag nicely with a tiny brush which I can just powder my face with. I got it for 100 Kenyan shillings, guys. It was worth trying it out. And finally, I got myself some massage oil right here, guys. I really needed this, especially since I'm trying to just do a pedicure with this strawberry scrub. Of course, I would love to just apply this afterwards. It usually makes your feet or wherever you apply it really smooth. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be applying this and just relaxing from it because I got the mint one. So it says with a soothing mint effect. This is the Beulah one. So it was actually 180 Kenyan shillings, and I just felt like I needed it. I'm actually trying to make myself really relaxed during this time, so that's why I'm getting all these things that will make me take care of myself even more. So I got this one, like I said, for 180 Kenyan shillings. It's actually blue, guys, and I just feel like this is just the right size for me. It's going to fit me and last me a long time. So yeah, guys, got all these items from one store. I'm going to make sure sure I leave the contact to each and every store that I got all these items from. I would love to know what item you liked from the haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really loved the hearts, by the way. For me, I enjoy doing this kind of videos. That's why I'm always just posting for you guys to also be entertained. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting your girl right here. Thank you for the support that you've been showing me of late. I'm seeing it, and I'm thanking God, and I'm thanking each and every one of you who is actually supporting me in any way, guys. I really appreciate it once again. So till next time, I am sending you love and light. I hope each and every day is a blessing for you. Keep on praying, keep on working hard. I'm sending you love and light once more. Bye, babe.